Are you frustrated because all the high quality men that you really like just don't seem interested in a committed relationship? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to get high quality men to chase you and pursue you for a committed relationship. I'm Jason Silver, the dating coach for ambitious women. On my channel, Attract Great Guys, you'll hear the truth about men that your guy friends just would never admit. So hit that red subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to it to get notified of all of my upcoming free trainings. Now, if you're not familiar with a high quality man or what that means, I look at it as someone that provides you a deeply fulfilling, lifelong committed relationship. Someone who's caring, who's loyal, smart, intelligent, all the things that you'd like in a partner. Now, there's a big problem. If you really like a high quality guy and you're actively trying to get him to like you, it actually has the opposite effect. You see, men love mystery. Some men even love the chase when there's a sense of mystery or uncertainty that a woman likes him back. And then all of a sudden he gets an indicator of interest showing that she may actually like him, and it gives him this hit of dopamine. It also makes him feel like he's obtaining something of value, even if he doesn't deserve that thing. And when something is less readily available to us, it's a natural human instinct to want to get more of it. It's basic supply and demand. When supply decreases and we don't have that as readily available to us, the value that we place on it actually increases. So by chasing men, you're pulling away the very attraction triggers that would make him more highly attracted to you. So what do you do? What is the solution? What most women do, in fact, what 99.9% of all humans do, is try to be more attractive. They focus on all of the things that they think will make them generally more attractive to everyone. Well, I'm gonna let you in on a pretty big secret here why that is the wrong thing to do if you're trying to attract a high quality guy. Now, there's 3 simple, but these are very powerful steps that will make a high quality man chase you. The first foundational step is not to become attractive to all men. It's to understand exactly what type of man you want to attract, because you don't want to attract every man. You need to be polarizing. You only want to attract a tiny percentage of men that are actually going to be a good fit for you, that are going to be the type of guy that you really need in your life. And it's very difficult to attract someone if you don't understand who you're trying to attract. So step 1 is understanding exactly who you're trying to attract on a deeper level. And how do you understand them? Well, that's a whole nother video, but I can tell you it's important to understand the basics. Where's he located? What does he value? What does he like to spend his time doing? I always say the best indicator of what we value is what we spend our time on. So where does he spend his time? What types of people does he surround himself with? What books does he read? What websites does he visit? Knowing these things, you can actually go in and do some research. You can read those publications, you can attend the events, and you can learn more to see if it's aligned with your values and what you want in your life. Because the more that you can understand about the man you're trying to attract, the easier it will be for you to show him that you're what he's looking for. And that leads us to step 2. Step 2 is simple, but it's important. It's asking yourself this question. Okay, now I've got this image in my mind, this visualization of who I'm trying to attract. Am I the type of person that he's looking for? Now, this is a simple question, but it's important that you be very honest with yourself and then move on to step 3 if you're a good fit for him. Step 3 is to be that woman that your ideal man is looking for. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying it's important that you don't look at this as being fake or disingenuous or changing who you are on a deep level to try to please another person. That's not what step 3 is about. Step 3 is about finding a high quality match. And let me just say, if you're choosing a high quality match who's not interested in being with someone like you, your authentic self, well, then I encourage you to really take a different look at who your high quality match is, because I believe a true high quality match is a man who loves you for you. Now, that being said, we need to learn how to communicate our best character traits that we have. Because just because we have these character traits, it doesn't mean that we're communicating that to other people. We need to show what character traits, what values they're looking for. It's like trying to sell a pen to someone, and you might really care about the ink color that comes out of the pen when all they care about is the grip and how it feels. And so you're sitting there and you're focusing on the pen color because at the end of the day, maybe you both want the same pen, but they don't care about the color. They can care less. So it's just not as effective because you're not speaking their language. You're not showing them what they're looking for. And they're looking for comfort. So by deeply understanding what they actually want, you can then communicate your best values, assets, and character traits that they're looking for. And think about the ways that you can magnify these different character traits. What ways can you show them that you're adventurous and open-minded or love to travel? What ways can you show or communicate that you love your family, that you love to give gifts or spend quality time, or whatever it is that you truly value? Now, I knew I wanted to find a wife who was very sweet and who cared about kindness and compassion. So it was important for me as I was dating to focus on my actions and ask myself, am I being compassionate? Am I being kind? And the more that I actually worked on communicating that, I actually became a better man in the process, and it was like building a muscle. And the more that I focused on it, the more I built that muscle, the more and easier it was to communicate that to other people. So step 3 is about becoming your best self and showing the guy that your character traits are what he's looking for. So just to summarize, before you can start attracting a high quality man, you need to understand exactly who you're attracting on a deep level. And step 2 is asking yourself, am I really the type of person that he's looking for? Do I embody the characteristics of what he needs and wants? And if I'm not, what am I doing? Am I really looking for the right match? Or do I need to step up my game to start becoming more of that type of person that I know that I'm meant to really match with? And step 3, asking yourself, even if I am embodying those things, am I communicating to them? Just because I have these traits, am I actually showing him that this is what he's looking for? And how can I improve how I communicate that? Now, when you do these things, when you communicate the right types of values to the right types of men, it creates a powerful bond and attraction that will repel all the men away from you who aren't a good fit and deeply attract the quality men who are a perfect match. This is very powerful. This stuff works. And if you'd like more support, more guidance, and you want to learn about my new coaching program that reveals exactly how you can tap into the one thing that men are secretly obsessed with, you just click the link beneath this video and I'll see you over there. Thanks so much for watching.